In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube video to Blogger. If you want to make your blog posts more engaging, adding a YouTube video is a simple and effective way to do it. Blogger makes this process pretty straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to place a YouTube video directly inside one of your posts. First, go to your Blogger post section. This is where all of your existing blog posts are listed, and it's the starting point for making edits to any content you've already created. Once you're there, look through your posts and open the one where you want the video to appear. After the post editor opens, move your attention to the top row of formatting options. This toolbar includes the controls for styling text, adding links, inserting images, and more. In that row, click on the Insert Video icon. This is the option Blogger uses when you want to place video content inside the body of your post rather than just linking to it. When the video options appear, click on YouTube. This tells Blogger that you want to search for and insert a video from YouTube directly, without needing to leave the editor. It's a convenient built-in feature, especially if you already know the video you want to include. Next, click into the search bar and type the name or topic of the video you want to add. Try to be specific with your search terms so the correct result appears more quickly. If the video title is long or common, using a few extra keywords can help narrow it down and save time. Once the search results load, find the video you want and click on it. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the right video, since many videos can have similar titles or thumbnails. Choosing carefully now helps avoid having to remove and replace it later. After selecting the video, click on Insert. Blogger will place the YouTube video directly into your post editor. At this point, the video is embedded in the post and ready to be adjusted to fit your layout. Now you can resize it and format it accordingly. Depending on the design of your blog post, you may want to make the video larger for emphasis or keep it smaller so it fits neatly between paragraphs. You can also position it in a way that matches the flow of your content, making the post easier for readers to follow. And that's it. That's how to embed a YouTube video into a Blogger post quickly and cleanly.